everyone, welcome to my channel Happy Bundles. Today I'm going to make fruit salad as the main dish and watermelon juice as the drink. So we'll need a bowl and we'll need some fruits to make fruit salad. So before we get started, we should wash all our fruits before cutting the fruit to make fruit salad. So let's wash this apple. And now it's washed. We'll get a cutting board and a knife and let's cut the apple. So now that our apple is cut in half, let's put it inside the bowl. So we'll do the same to all the fruits. And we'll wash all the fruits and cut them. Now that we finished cutting all of the fruits, washing all of the fruits, let's cut them. Do you know what fruit this is? This is a grapes. Let's put it in the bowl too. Let's cut all the fruits and put them in the bowl. You know what this fruit is? It's a watermelon. Now this fruit is pears. And you know what this fruit is? It's a banana. I love bananas, and I think monkeys love bananas too. And there's another banana. And this fruit is a kiwi. It's brown outside and it's green inside. How cool is that? Now let's just hang and put them where it was. And now let's mix all the fruits with our spoon. When you mix it well, get a little bit of seasoning and put it inside and sprinkle it on the fruit salad. Get your spoon and mix it again so that the seasoning will also mix up with the other fruits and it'll make it tasty. And just taste the fruit salad. If it's really nice, let's just go and keep it on the table. And for the drinks, let's make watermelon juice now. Let's get a cup. And we need a sliced watermelon. And let's cut a watermelon in halves. But before that, I even forgot to say that we had to wash the watermelon. Now let's cut the watermelon after we washed it. We'll only need one slice. So let's put the watermelon inside the cup and get a little bit of water. Add the cup of water to the watermelon juice and mix it well. After you mixed it well, if you want, you can add sugar, but I'm not adding sugar, I'm just having this watermelon juice. And let's keep it with our fruit salad as a main dish and the drink. So here we are, our meal finished. Thanks for watching, everyone.